One time say perfect, so that we will go further. Just one time perfect. Everyone. Array, Sayan not saying yaar. Sayan is not saying, array man, Sayan, when, right? When will you say yaar? Sayan, say bhaiya. Sayan bhaiya bolo. Say one time perfect. Yeah, fine. Now see the one more story. One more new story. So for the new story, I am using the new color. For the new story, I am using the new color. Can you see this? Can you see this? Everyone listen. Everyone listen. Everyone listen. See this. There are 5 bits. Total 5 bits are there. Observe clearly. There are total 5 bits are there. Totally we have 5 bits. So can you help, if 5 bits are there, total possibilities how many? If 5 bits are there, total possibilities are 2 power 5, which is 32, which is 0 to 31. Everyone know this. Right? With the 5 bits, total possibilities are 2 power 5, which is 32, which is 0 to 31. That's okay. But see the story. See the story. Unfortunately, fortunately, because of some reason, these 5 bits are divided into 2 parts. These 5 bits are divided into 2 parts. Let us assume left is 3 bits, right is 2 bits. Left is 3 bits, right is 2 bits. Now see this one. With the 3 bits, the possibilities are 2 cube. With the 2 bits, possibilities are 2 square. 2 cube into 2 square, which is going to be 2 power 3 plus 2, which is going to be 2 power 5, which is going to be 32, which is going to be 0 to 31. Is it okay to you? Somebody is saying, Sanath is saying that watching your CN on YouTube and doing PYQs, can we cover entire syllabus? So first of all, I am not covering the total CN on the YouTube. Only 3 lectures I will do. Sanath, I will do only 3 lectures. I don't do all. Only 3 lectures. So the same thing can be done like this also. In examination, they may not ask you with the 5 bits total possibilities how many. They may not ask, because if they ask you 5 bits how many possibilities, everyone will give answer. But they may say indirectly. How indirectly? 5 bits are divided into 3 parts. 5 bits are divided into 2 parts. One part contains 3 bits, another part contains 2 bits. Total possibilities how many? Same story. Total possibilities how many? Same story. You may say that, sir, how, sir? How? Let's check. Some people are asking, how can you say this? Reddy, sir, how can you give guarantee? Again, it will become 32. How? See this one. If you want, you can check. This one fix 000. This one fix 000. See this one. This one fix 000. See the next story. This is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. This is fixed part. This is the variable part. Fixed part, variable part. Right? In the similar way, one more part, similar way. What is the one more part? Let me write. Let me write that one. Fixed part, variable part. So here all 000 copy. That is the reason it is the fixed part. Now see the one more part. See this one more part. This is 0 0 1. Again here 4 possibilities. One work will be m ways, another work will be n ways, right? Both can be done m into n ways. 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. This is again 4 more, and so on. Continue. Lastly, if you observe, can you see this one? 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. This is going to be, right, all 111. So this will give 4. This will give 4. Like that, how many times? Like that time, every time 4 4 4 coming. How many times? 8 times. It is this part is 0. This part is 1. So like that, this is 7. 0 to 7, total 8. So 8 into 4, 8 into 4, 8 into 4, 32. In those 32, if you observe clearly, this is 0. This is, right, 31. This is 31. One work will be done m ways, another work will be done n ways, both can be done m into n ways. Both can be done m into n ways. Left side changing 0 to 7, 8 ways. Right side changing 0 to 3, 0 to 3, 4 ways. Left side changing 0 to 7, 8 ways. Right side changing 0 to 3, which is 4 ways. I hope everyone perfect. I hope everyone perfect. Anyone having any doubt? This is example, next example. This may be next model. Let's see the example 1. This is the next model. This is the next model. Check if anyone having little doubt also. Little doubt also there, let me know. Little doubt also there. So this, if I think about the for loop, if I think about two inner loop, I loop, J loop. This is the I loop. This is the J loop. So I is fixed. I fixed as 0. I fixed as 0. J is keep on rotating. I 0. I value 0. So J is rotating 0 to 3. I value 1. I value 1. J rotating 0 to 3. It's a keep on moving like this. It's a keep on moving. Lastly, I is equal to 7. J is 0 to 3. I loop, J loop. Yeah, I think everyone is absolutely fine. Everyone is absolutely fine. Let's move to next story. One more example. Example 2. Example 2. Can you see this? Can you see this one? Example 2. Can you see this? Total, let us assume that 10 bits are there. Total 10 bits are there. You only say with the 10 bits total possibilities are 2 power 10, 1024, which will goes to 0 to 1023, which will goes to 0 to 1023. Let me use another color. Yeah, light color I'm using. Yeah, fine. Now some people are asking total 1024, 0 to 1023. That is perfect. But what you want to say, sir? Can you see here? Three parts. This may be, let us assume that 4. Right? Let us assume that this may be 4. Remaining is 6 there. Let me check here. 2, 4, no, 3, 3. Yeah, let's go for 3. Let's go for 4. This is going to be 2. This is going to be 2. So this can be done 2 power 4 ways. This can be done 2 square ways. This can be done 2 power 4 ways. Total can be done 2 power 4 into 2 square into 2 power 4, which will goes to 2 power 4 plus 2 plus 4, which will goes to 2 power 10. Is it okay? One work will be done I ways, another work will be done J ways, another work will be done K ways. All three can be done at a time. I into J into K. This is going to be 0 to 1023. Suppose they said, right, Shekhar, thank you so much for asking. They mentioned in the problem, I have 10 bits. They mention in the problem, I have 10 bits. 10 bits will be divided into 3 parts. Right? First part is 4 bits. Second part is 2 bits. Third part is 4 bits. They said like this. I have total 10 bits. I divided into 3 parts. They mention in the problem. Yeah, they will divide whatever way they want. In the problem, they mention. That is their problem, right? They will divide whatever way they like. Right? Thank you so much for asking. That is a really nice doubt. That is a really nice doubt. So they said that we have 10 bits. We divided those 10 bits into 3 parts. Because of some reason, because he has some problem, because of some reason, he divided 10 bits into 3 parts. Right? First part contain 4 bits, second part contain 2 bits, next one contain 4 bits. So totally 2 power 10, 1024 ways are there, 0 to 1023. So out of all of them, listen, minimum is 0, maximum is 1023. Maximum 1023. Some people are asking, some students are asking me, Reddy sir, that is okay. Minimum 0, maximum is 1023. Sir, can you give binary number for this? Listen, if you want the maximum number, in the 4 bits take maximum person. 4 bits maximum person, 4 ones. 2 bits maximum 1, 2 bits maximum 1, 2 ones. 4 bits maximum 1, 4 ones. So totally if you observe, 4 ones from the leftmost one, 4 ones from the rightmost one, middle one is 2 ones. Total is this. Suppose if you want the minimum value, from everywhere take minimum. So here minimum value here 4 zeros. Here minimum value here 00. Here minimum value here 4 zeros. So this is going to be 4 zeros, 2 zeros, 4 zeros, which will goes to 0. If you want minimum, from every part take minimum. If you want maximum, take from every part maximum. If you want middle people, take everyone from everyone middle. Is it fine? Are you comfortable now? If you want the maximum number, everywhere take maximum. In the 4 bits maximum 4 ones. In the 2 bits maximum 2 ones. In the 4 bits maximum 4 ones. 4 ones, 2 ones, 4 ones. Totally 10 ones, which is going to be 1024. Everywhere take minimum. 0, 0, 0. Then zeros you will get. Let me know if anyone having any small objection. So now I will write the note also. See the note. Can you see the note? Note. If n bits divided into 3 parts, n1 bits, n2 bits, n3 bits. n1 bits, n2 bits, and n3 bits. Then total possibilities is equal to 2 power n1 into 2 power n2 into 2 power n3, which is equal to 2 power n1 plus n2 plus n3. which is equal to 2 power n. Fine. Is it okay? If n bits divided into 3 parts, n1 bits, n2 bits, and n3 bits, then total possibilities are 2 power n1, 2 power n2, 2 power n3, 2 power n1 plus n2 plus n3, which is nothing but 2 power n. सही है? अरे शेखर सही है? शेखर सही है नहीं? सही है नहीं? बोल दो यार. अरे शेखर सही है नहीं? अरे भैया बोल दो यार. अरे शेखर भैया बोलो. Right. Perfect. Until now everyone is fine. Right. Sir, please say Gootle. Johan will marry one person who is a really Gootle. Johan will marry one person who is a really Gootle. Really Gootle he will marry. She will play everyday football with him. Every day she will play football with him. Then he will get to know what is the meaning of Gootle. He will marry one person who is Gootle. Every day. Her name is Gootle. Yeah, maybe mostly. Then you will get to know what is the pain of the Gootle keyword. What is the pain of Gootle keyword? You will get to know. Every day she will play football with the right Johan. She will say, sit Johan. Johan pig sit. Johan pig stand. Johan pig right dance. Johan pig right rotate the body. Head will be below, leg will be open. Right? So he will say like this. She will play games with him. Then he will get to know what is the pain of Gootle keyword. She will say to him also, say to me one time Gootle. Then he will get the pain. Arey buffalo. Serious story going on. He is asking, can you say to me one time Gootle? Serious story going on. He stopped the computer networking and he is asking, can you say to me Gootle? Serious story. Now topic is diverted. If you like Gootle, keep your son names as Gootle 1, Gootle 2, Gootle 3. If you get the 3 kids, your wife name is Gootle, your kid's name is Gootle 1, Gootle 2, Gootle 3. Your partner name is Gootle, as you mentioned. Kid's name is Gootle 1, Gootle 2, Gootle 3. Right. Ignore Johan and move on. Thank you so much. Some people saying come back. Arey Sai, I am teaching so innocently. One of your classmates is done. You only started the game, right? How can you say to me come back? Where is my mistake? One of your classmates is doing nonsense. Why are you crying on me? Why are you coming with a single leg on me? What wrong I done? Your classmate is disturbed the class. Instead of scolding him, you are coming with a single leg on me. On single leg, you are coming on me. He is the one who disturbed the class, right? How I am responsible? He is saying come back. Like I only went that side. So innocently I am teaching. So innocently. Single leg is coming. Sai coming on single leg. He is coming to scold me on single leg. Anyhow, I think in my opinion, so 2 examples done, note also done. Okay, perfect. Perfect. So these are the basics which are required. We really done the good work. Let's see the next story. Let's see the next story. Careful, careful everyone. If you want to talk, listen, in the phone you want to talk, in the phone you want to talk with your friend. In the phone you want to talk with your friend. So definitely phone number required. Right? In the mobile network, one mobile want to connect with another mobile. In the mobile network, one mobile want to communicate with another mobile. Definitely both the mobiles should have the number. Right? And in the similar way, in the human network, right, one human want to communicate with another human. Definitely there should be some number, either name or number, some number, something like Aadhaar card. One human want to communicate with another human. So if you take the primary key as the Aadhaar card, so I think with the help of Aadhaar card they can communicate. In the similar way, in the internet, if two computers want to communicate, there is a requirement of IP address. Right? If two computers want to communicate, suppose isn't that this is one computer, this is one computer, this is another computer. These two computers want to communicate. These two computers want to communicate through internet. Through internet, these two people want to communicate. There is a requirement of one IP address here. One IP address here. This is a one more IP address. Everything, whatever is connected in the internet, there is a one IP address. There is a one IP address. Some people are asking, sir, if two computers want to communicate in the internet, remember it's the internet. If two people want to communicate in the internet, so both the computers should have the IP address. Some students are asking, okay, they both want to communicate, so IP address required, right? Reddy sir, can you say to me, what is the size of IP address, right? According to IPv4, 32 bits. It is the 32 bits. IPv4, Internet Protocol version 4. Internet Protocol version 4. According to IPv4 version, right? IP address contain 32 bits, like mobile number. Mobile number contain 10 bits. In the similar way, two computers want to communicate through internet. They should communicate through IP address. IP address is 32 bits. IP address is 32 bits. Some people are asking 32 bits, right? 32 bits how to represent? Can you see everyone? 32 bits how to represent? 8 bits dot 8 bits dot 8 bits dot 8 bits. Here also. These are the bits. Remember 8 bits. So IP address contain 32 bits according to IPv4. Those 32 bits will be represent 8 bits, 8 bits, 8 bits, 8 bits. 8 bits. Remember 8 bits. Write this also. Otherwise it will mislead you. Two computers want to communicate through internet. They should have IP address. Two mobiles want to communicate through mobile network. They should have mobile number. Two people want to communicate. Right? In India, two people want to communicate, maybe through IP, maybe something like Aadhaar card. This is my Aadhaar card, this is my Aadhaar card, like that. Afterwards, they will start communicating. So from here, see, from here, actual story starting. Two computers want to communicate in the internet. Two computers want to communicate in the internet. So they both should have IP address. They both should have IP address. Yeah, so it depending upon version. It depending upon version. If it is IPv4, 32 bits. If at all IPv6, double for that, 64 or 128. So in our syllabus, only IPv4 is there. In the IPv6, right? I think 32 is 64, 64 double 128. 128 bits like that. In our syllabus, only this is there. Fine, is it okay? IP address contain 32 bits according to IPv4 version. Versions are increasing, automatically number of bits also will increase. Because the population is increasing, number of users who are using the internet, they are also increasing, automatically bits also will increase. Population increasing, the number of people who are using the internet, they are also increasing, automatically bits also will increase. As of now, right? So this is one IPv4 version only there in the GATE syllabus. 32 bits only. 32 bits only. Can we go to next? Just concentrate IPv4. Okay, can I move to next? So two computers want to communicate through internet. So I read if both the computers should have, right? Both the computers should have IP address. Right? Next one. Can you help me? One small line? That IP address is a physical address or logical address? That IP address is a physical address or logical address? Is it physical or logical? Mobile number is physical or logical? Mobile number is physical or logical? When you say logical, you can change. When you say physical, right, device itself, so every device having some ID. Every device having some ID. Are you getting? Every device having some ID. You buy any computer, internally there is a ID. So that is the hardware level. Number. This is the logical address. You can happily change it. Your mobile also having inside some number. So that number even you also don't know. If you open the mobile, right, inside you are able to see the number. Every device having some number. Every computer also having some number. Right? So on the NIC, network interface card, on the NIC, that number will be written. Network interface card, NIC, right, which is also called as MAC address. On the NIC, it will be written. Network interface card. So on the NIC, that number will be written. That is a physical number. Which is also called MAC address. Which is also called as MAC address. Which is also called physical address. The people who are manufacturing the device, for every device they will give the number. That is a hardware level number. We cannot take that one into account because hardware level, there may be a chance of some damage to the hardware. Maybe you will change it. So every time opening the computer and changing it, so it may not be nice also. Right? A small mistake happen, total device will spoil. So it is better to always connect with the logical addresses. So this is also called as a logical address. It is also logical address.